Okay, which box should I open first? Or should I say which package? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a sailor by the toe. If he hollers, let him go. My mother told me to pick the very best one, and you are it! Okay, let's see what's in this bad boy. It had to be the biggest. So that one had to be first. Hold on. Okay. Come on, come on. Come on, baby. Please tell me that this is it! Please tell me that this is it! Yes, yes, it is indeed! It's here! It's here! It's here! Yes! Yes! This is it! This is it! This is it! The Deluxe Gabba Revolver from Zuden Sentai Kyryuger! Yes! Yeah, this is what you call true show accuracy, people! This is what you call true show accuracy. And along with that, 2 more Zudenshi for my collection. Oh my goodness. Oh jeez. Oh yeah, we got Gabutira, Zudenshi number 1, and also Stimero, Zudenshi number 14. Yeah! Joe Ryan, aka Super Unknown Person, this one goes out to you, man. Alright, let's see what's in package numero 2. Wait a second. I think I know what these things are. You know what? I think I should add a little music to it. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Oh my. Hold on a second, guys. This may be a... Okay, now it's time for me to do the unboxing now. Okay. Yes, yes. Now this unboxing, I think you might know, this one goes out to a very, very special someone. This one is going out to a very, very special someone. This one goes out to a very special someone, and I think you know who. But first, let me get the music in. Yes! Oh yeah. Shout out to the girls that pay rent on time. If you